Hi guys, how is it going? In this video, we will look how to add subtitles to your posted videos on YouTube. In Studio, go to your video and click on subtitles. By default, you will see the subtitles based on the language that you selected when you uploaded the video. Click on duplicate and edit. This will open up another window which will show you text based on the default language of your video. Click on publish to make this as a reference. Back in subtitles window, you will see a copy of your default language. Now click on add language to add the language of your choice. I will first add Chinese. This will give you title and subtitles option. I am going to add subtitle only. It will open a new window. Click on auto translate. This will translate the original language to the selected language. Click on publish to create the subtitle. I am going to add two more languages, namely Hindi and German, by following the same steps just to demonstrate the switchover between languages in the demo once we are done creating the subtitles in Studio. You have no way to verify the accuracy unless you know all the languages yourself, so this is on the best effort basis, and I believe Google under the hood uses their Google Translate software to do the job. However, I believe it is good to add subtitles to gain maximum audience reach for your content, as opposed to not having anything which will only allow people with English language to view your content. Similarly, add as much language you can add, as this does not take a long time and it will only increase the efficiency of your content. Now in your video, under captions, the audience can select the language of their choice depending on how many subtitles you have added. There is no limit, so make sure to include as much as you can, as it does not take long to do it, as I mentioned earlier. The switchover to one language to another is seamless. However, this is not a valid use case unless someone is testing the various kind of languages. And as you can see, the speed with which it adopts the language is also good. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe and have a good one. Thank you.